Right now, I'm an 18-year-old female. This event occurred when I was 11 or 12 years old. I still remember the day, December 1st. This is what led to my parents and I to have to get an alarm installed. One day, my dad and I were home. I was in the living room watching Drake and Josh's Christmas special. Yeah, I remember exactly what I was watching. My dad was in the shower. It was just a regular casual afternoon until the doorbell rang. I paused the movie because, for me personally, we always lower the volume or pause the film when we have an unexpected guest. I was taught well enough to not open a door for anybody. If it was someone I knew that my parents told in advance, I would have opened the door, but this day, it was an unexpected guest. After I paused the movie, I ran to my room to look out the window to see who was at the door. My bedroom window is literally right next to the front door, so I can easily see who's there. But at the same time, it's easy enough to get caught. So I slightly pulled down the blinds, not giving away my position, and saw two black women standing there. After seeing them, I shrugged it off. I was thinking maybe they're promoting or selling something. I walked back to the couch and I waited a few more minutes. While I continued to watch the movie for the next few minutes, my heart dropped at what I saw at the back door. It was the two women, just standing there. I sat there frozen and unaware of what to do. Thankfully, my dad just finished showering and was entering the living room at the same time. He yelled, "Hey!" before running after them. Of course, they ran off, but my dad tried his best to capture the two women, but he couldn't catch them. A few seconds later, I heard tires screeching, which I assumed was their car. I wasn't entirely sure if it was just the two of them alone or if they had someone else in the car waiting for them. Whatever the case may be, we didn't encounter them again. I had no idea what their intentions were in the first place. Were they there to potentially rob us, kill us? Probably not, because I didn't see anything. No weapon, nothing. Anyways, I'm just glad that my dad and I are safe, as well as the household. We told my mom when she got home from work later that night. About a week or two later, we had an alarm system installed. The question still roams around my head when I think about this event is, why? Why us? Anyways, I'm glad that all of it was over. And wherever they are, I hope they didn't continue their actions and change their behavior for the better.